Whether you are a new landlord or renting your spare room through Airbnb, it is very crucial to understand how your rental income is being taxed by HMRC. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Muhammad Zishan. I'm a UK based accountant and tax advisor. Today, we are going to talk about a topic which affects most people in the UK and which is rental income. We will also discuss rental income, and we will also look into if you haven't declared your income or rental income in past through HMRC Let property campaign. So let's get into it. So the first question is, what is rental income? Rental income refers to any money you receive from letting out a property. This can be a buy to let property, a room in your main home, or even short term lets through platform like Airbnb. This income is taxed under the property income rules. And yes, even if you are just earning a few £1,000, it still needs to be declared once it crosses a allowance threshold. So obvious next question is, what is property allowance or reliefs? The property allowance allows you to earn a rental income before paying any tax. The property allowance is £1,000 per tax year per person. Along with this, if you are renting a room, rent a room relief is £7,500 per tax year. Now, the good news is not all of your rental income is taxable. You are allowed to deduct a certain expenses or allowable expenses from your rental income to calculate a taxable rental income. Common allowable expenses include letting, agent fees, property repair and maintenance, only repair and maintenance, not a capital expense, buildings and content insurance, council tax and utility bill if you are paying it as a landlord, and any mortgage interest. But please note that mortgage interest you can't deduct is in full. You are only allowed a 20% tax relief on your mortgage interest. Most landlord whose rental income is below £150,000 uses a cash basis scheme, which means if your income is below £150,000, you can use a cash basis. You can only declare your rental income when you receive it, and you will only deduct the expenses when you pay it. And now, one of the most common question I get asked is, do I need to pay a national insurance contribution as a landlord? For most landlords, the answer is no. Rental income is not subject to national insurance unless HMRC consider you to a running a property business. This might apply if you own multiple properties, you are actively involved day to day, and your letting activities are your main source of income. In those cases, you might be asked to pay a national insurance contribution, but as discussed previously, it is not something common. And if you are unsure whether you fall in this category or not, it's worth to seek a professional advice. Now, let's discuss about Let Property campaign. HMRC amnesty for landlords who did not declare their income in past. Let me give you a quick real life example. A client approached me last year. She has been renting out her two properties since 2011 but never declared the rental income. HMRC write her under Let Property campaign and asked her to declare all of her rental income. She was initially a basic tax rate payer and then became a higher rate taxpayer. Through the Let Property campaign, I helped her declare 12 years of rental income, claim allowable expenses, pay the correct tax including interest, and I negotiate the HMRC to reduce significantly penalty rate from 200% to just under 23%. So this was a discovery assessment in which HMRC found out and asked her to pay a rental income tax including interest and penalties. However, you as a landlord come forward and declare your rental income if you haven't declared it before through HMRC digital disclosure facility, and notify HMRC that you have a rental income and you want to declare that. By helping HMRC, it will help you to reduce your penalty, might be from 200% to just under maybe 20% or 15%, but obviously it will depend on every single case. So now let's quickly recap it. In this video, we have discussed what is rental income, what are allowable expenses, and rent a room relief. Number third, we have discussed, do I need to pay a next insurance contribution as a landlord? And finally, I have shared a personal experience how HMRC caught one of the landlord. She did not disclose her property previously and she pays fines and penalties on her undeclared rental income. So if you found this video helpful, please hit a subscribe button and also like the video and share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you are not sure whether you need to declare your rental income or you want to declare your rental income now, please do let me know and I will help you out. As always, hand ahead, salute until the next video.